Alright guys, welcome back to another video, man. And today's video, man, is gonna be about my car. I am gonna be making it louder because right now it has a Flowmaster Resonator, and I feel like it needs to be a little bit louder. And then you come back over here. We are gonna be putting in a vibrant resonator. So we're gonna be installing this. And we're gonna be replacing it with the Flowmaster that it has right now. What this is gonna do is basically just eliminate the raspiness, make it a little bit deeper. And I've seen a couple videos on with this car, and it sounds good, better than the one I have right now. Fuck it. So I hope it turns out good. I'm actually late to the shop. They told me to be here like an hour ago, but we're like 5 minutes away already. Don't fucking open it. Either way, I'm gonna turn on the car right now, and so you guys can hear how it sounds with the Flowmaster Resonator. So it's not loud enough, but you guys can hear it. Well, to me, it's not loud enough. And so that's why we're gonna be adding this baby right here. I hope it does the job. And let's go, man, because we're late. So let's go. Guys, we're here. I was supposed to come here like a month ago, but I never did. But I mean, we're here. Late, but we're here. I hope they don't have any cars because that's gonna be a delay. And I hope he don't say never mind, go back, because I am late. He's right there. Look at him. Alright guys, we'll be right back. That's the before right now. Just gonna rev it up. Oh shit, I'm scared of dogs. Ooh. Rev it up. Damn. Va a espantar el pinche perro. ¿Pero chingón o no? Ahorita, güey, que suene after, vas a ver, güey. She gonna be loud. Guys, I'm gonna be changing the tips too, because these are like a 3.25 inches, I believe. So I'm gonna go with a 4-inch, so that way it could fill in this gap right there. Guys, so he took everything off. No resonators, no mufflers. He's gonna turn it on right now. Like legit, there's nothing right there. So we're gonna see how it sounds. And this bitch is gonna be loud without that shit. Alright guys, there it is. Gonna turn it on right now. No muffler, no resonator. Escucha mejor así, güey. Hay que dejarlo así, güey. ¿Es que me escucha mejor? ¿Otra vez? ¿Otro? Shit. Guys, the after. And it's done. Flowmaster, vibrant resonator. Okay, not bad, not bad. Rev it. It's the same? That's not bad. poquito más recio, ¿no? See that? Guys, let me know what you guys think. Does it sound different or not? I think it does, like a little bit deeper. Hold up. Yeah, it does sound different. It does. Yeah, it does. He got a G37X an S. What a bad car. Say he just got it recently. Damn, sexy. It's not fast, but it's sexy. Yeah, that shit is definitely way louder. Louder. Yep. Yeah, that's louder. That's louder. Way better. I'm gonna turn it on right now. In my opinion, I think it sounds good. But you guys let me know with those likes. Go ahead and turn it on, bro. Press on the brake. Yeah, the left one. Alright, guess it up. Right one? Yeah, the right one. Definitely louder, definitely. Damn. Yahweh, voy a llamar a la policía. Guys, so I am gonna need the new tips because as you guys can see, that shit is peeling off. And then this one came out more than that one just right now that we installed the resonator. So I am gonna be installing those 4-inch soon. And if you guys didn't notice, I ordered the diffuser already, and it looks hella good with that diffuser on. The new spoiler too. Damn. Then I'm gonna be ordering the roof one, so it's gonna be a little bigger one. This one is coming off already, but I'm gonna be doing that too. But definitely that's gonna be first, the tips, because that one already came out more and it looks ugly in my opinion. Yeah, it looks ugly, so I'm gonna get bigger ones. Oh, one more thing, I went darker on the windshield. That shit is dark now. I had 42% before, now brought it down to 35%. Honestly, it looks the same as the 40% to me. At night, nothing big a difference. So I'm gonna take it for a spin right now, so you guys can hear how it sounds. Rev it up. And you guys let me know with those likes. If you like it, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram right there. Alright guys, that's gonna be for today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy that. Let me know what you guys think about it. Is it more raspier, a little bit raspier? Or let me know what you think. In my opinion, I think it sounds good. A little bit louder. Even the idling right now sounds way better. So you guys let me know with those likes. Like it up. If you like it up, it means it sounds good. If you guys dislike it, means you guys don't like it. Fuck with it. So that's for today's video, guys. Go ahead and subscribe and like. And I'll see you guys in the next video.